What are you doing? You can't see me. You're going to put your bowl down? Hmm? What are you doing? Graver. David, you can't see where you're going. Come on. Put the bowl down. Put the bowl down. What do you mean? No. Put it down. No, you can. No, no, thank you.